guys, it's Kerima. Welcome back to another video. So many of you have made it very clear that you are here for the recipes and you want some cooking videos, so I'm here to deliver. You guys love when I include recipes in my cleaning videos, so I decided to make a dedicated series of just recipes. Since this is going to be a series, you guys are going to get different videos with breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, dinners, snacks, who knows, desserts. The sky's the limit. We can do all the things here, but I wanted to start out with some easy breakfast recipes because we're all busy moms. You guys know I work full-time out of the house. I'm a registered nurse. My job is very stressful, so I don't want to be stressing over what I'm making my kids for dinner, but I want them to have something that they'll enjoy and something that's nutritious as well. So I wanted to share 6 easy recipes with you guys that would be perfect for your family, yourself, or your children, and everyone will enjoy. So if you guys are here for this series, let me know below. We'll call it something like Cooking with Kerima. If you're really into that, if you got some recipe ideas that you want me to try, let me know. But for now, let's get into the breakfast ideas. So the first breakfast idea I wanted to share with you is a good old protein bar. These are protein bars by Built Bar, and I love protein bars because they are easy to grab. These are more for your busy moms. If you're going to work, running out of the house, or you're chasing behind your kids, you're trying to clean up. At the end of the day, we're busy, and sometimes we just need something quick that we can open and go. So Built Bar has many flavors of these protein bars, and you guys, it's kind of like eating a candy bar without the guilt. And who wouldn't want to eat a candy bar for breakfast? The Built Bars are made out of 100% real chocolate, but they're high in protein, low in calories, and low in sugar. I'm going to have the banana bread bar. This has 160 calories, 18 grams of protein, and only 5 grams of sugar, so I can enjoy a nutritious meal without the guilt. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks just like a candy bar. So it doesn't have that chalky protein powder taste, if you know what I mean. If you eat protein products, then you know what I mean. This is really good. It's kind of like nougat. Oh, that is so good. Banana bread is good. But I'll show you, they have many different flavors. You'll see it up on the screen now. So really, if you love chocolate and you love chocolate bars, you're gonna love the Built Bars. So if you're interested in trying them out, you can use my link in the description bar below, and you can get 20% off your first purchase. So our next option is a healthy breakfast burrito. This one is one of my favorites because you can prep the burritos beforehand and just heat them up, or you can make them fresh and it'll only take you about 5 to 10 minutes to make. Right now, I'm chopping up some mushrooms to saute in a pan. I love mushrooms in my burritos, but feel free to add anything you like. You're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan just to saute, heat that up, and add your mushrooms. While the mushrooms are cooking, I'm going to prepare the eggs. I'm just using 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 2 whole eggs and 1 egg white. Since I'm making an egg scramble, I'm keeping it really simple with the seasoning. I'm just adding a little bit of black pepper and salt. I let the mushrooms saute for about 2 minutes, and once they're tender and at that right consistency that I like, I add a handful or 2 handfuls of spinach, and I'm just going to let that wilt down a little bit before I add the eggs. I'm also adding a little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning because I put that on everything. Now that the spinach has cooked down, add your egg mixture and scramble. This is one of my main go-to breakfast meals because I can prep these burritos ahead of time and just heat them up in the morning when I'm ready to have breakfast. Now that the egg scramble is done, you just want to grab a plate and your favorite type of tortilla. I'm using a spinach tortilla for mine. Add a little of the scramble to the middle and wrap it up like a burrito. I like my breakfast burritos to be crispy, so I'm going to place mine on my sandwich press for about a minute. And that's it. You have a nice healthy breakfast. I like to have mine with a side of fruit, so I added some chopped up oranges, and on to the next one. Now this one is one of my kids' favorites, the peanut butter banana bagel. So this is like a sweet and healthy breakfast for the kids. I normally make it on a cinnamon swirl bagel. I lightly toast it and then add the peanut butter. This is such a simple breakfast, but it's easy and fun, and I never have to fight with the kids to eat them. I like to layer up the peanut butter nice and thick because it's an excellent source of protein. Then I thinly slice the banana and place it right on top of the peanut butter. I like to serve a side of fruit with every meal, so even though there are already bananas on the bagel, I'm serving it with a side of strawberries. And just to spice it up a little bit and add some more nutrition, I like to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top and add some chia seeds because chia seeds are antioxidants. They're high in fiber, they're high in protein, and they're also high in omega-3s. Next is probably my favorite of them all, and that is a simple oatmeal bowl with all the fixings. So you guys probably don't need instructions on how to make oatmeal, but I'm using old-fashioned oats from Quaker Oats. I'm just using 1 cup of water and a half a cup of oats. I'm gonna boil that for 5 minutes and stir. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of brown sugar and a whole lot of cinnamon. Oatmeal is my favorite because it is so quick and easy. Once it's done cooking, I add it to a bowl and then I load it up with toppings. I always like to have some type of fruit on top, so I'm adding blueberries today. I wanted a little crunch in my oatmeal today, so I'm adding some pecans. I'm gonna add some walnuts. I'm going to add coconut flakes and again, chia seeds. I like to add chia seeds to as many meals as possible for the health benefits. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you see me eat avocado toast at work all the time, but when I'm at home, I like to take it to the next level. So at first, I'm going to start out by just spraying my pan with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray, and I'm going to fry 2 eggs. Again, I'm keeping it simple with the seasoning because when all the ingredients come together, it's going to be really flavorful. So just a little salt and pepper. Next, I toasted 2 slices of bread and I'm going to add my avocado. You guys know I love my little avocado cutter. It works so well and it is linked in my Amazon store if you're interested. I don't really like to mash my avocado up on the bread, so I leave it sliced. Right on top of the avocado, you're going to add your 2 fried eggs. I made mine's over easy, and then I'm adding sun-dried tomatoes. That is where your flavor is going to really pop. The last thing I like to add is a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. I would normally add some sriracha if I didn't have the sun-dried tomatoes, but it doesn't need it. Add you a little bit of fruit on the side and voila, another healthy, easy breakfast. Last but not least is the classic BLT. I know you guys already know how to make a BLT, so I'm just going to keep it quick, but the only thing you need to prepare, of course, is the bacon. You got 2 slices of toasted bread, and I like to add mayo on my bread. Then I'm going to add a nice green leafy slice of lettuce to both sides. I'm gonna chop up 2 pieces of tomatoes for each bread and then add the best part, the bacon. I like to take everything to the next level and I love avocados, so I'm gonna add some sliced avocados on top of that. Don't forget your fruit, and now you have a complete breakfast. Okay guys, so that is it. That was my 6 easy peasy breakfast ideas. My family loves them. My husband and I, we love anything with avocado on it, as you can tell. My kids love the oatmeal and the bagels. It's one of their staples. My daughter pretty much eats peanut butter toast every single day. But let me know if it's something that you've tried before. Is it a staple in your household? And if it's not, are you gonna try it? Let me know down below. And if you like this video, we can do more. Just kind of chat it up with me in the comments. You guys know I'm always in the comment box right after I post my videos, so I'll meet you there. And there's a few of you who have been saying that you have been late to my videos because of your notifications. So guys, turn your notifications on. YouTube, you know, YouTube be doing the most, so sometimes they cut them off, they unsubscribe you, they do all the things. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure your notifications are on. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribing if you're into cooking content, cleaning content, mommy life, just busy mom motivation. I have tons of it on my channel here for you, and we have lots of fun. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and I love you as always. Bye guys.